I have been diagnosed as dyslexic and with an auditory processing disorder. It feels like you're learning English as a foreign language as a student who's just begun. Sometimes it feels like that. In my past, I've had several very influential teachers and several teachers that have really put me down. I really value the teachers in my past that have helped me get to this point, as opposed to focusing on the weaknesses. Capitalize on your strengths, on the skills and assets that you have as a person. So for me, that was my spatial awareness and my mathematical visualization, which is fairly common amongst a lot of mathematicians. It can be hard. It was very difficult for me, and it still is, that there are many challenges you'll face. My mum is a very inspirational figure. She has worked immensely hard, and she's the person I owe a lot of this to.